Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will tell you about the headphone jack problem in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new and updated videos. Let's move to the topic. If you are having the headphone jack problem, or you can say the earphone jack problem in your device, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's watch the video.